Welcome to 1658 Horseshoe Drive, Unit B. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment located in Northeast Columbia, just off of Two Notch Road. And it is nestled sort of between I-20 and I-77, easy access to both. So you can see out front you have ample off-street parking. And then Unit B is going to be downstairs on your right, so we're just going to walk right up to the walkway here. And your mailbox is right beside the door there. So we'll take a look inside. So inside you have vinyl flooring there right in the entry. There's also a coat closet to the left of the front door as you come in as well. And you have a nice sized living room, window looking out towards the front. And you can see really nice wall with some built-in shelving. You have sort of a hutch for TV, all of your other components, and some shelving on the side. Also some storage underneath as well. And then right off of that, the living room is open to the dining area and the kitchen. It's an eat-in kitchen, galley style. So you have an included refrigerator, built-in microwave, electric stove, as well as a dishwasher. It's pretty updated, and you also have a washer and dryer included as well, and the laundry closet. And these just simply close off with some bifold doors there. You have some shelving above. And then on the back end, you also do have a pantry. And then this door leads you out to the back. So you can see you have a small covered porch. And then you back up to this shared yard back here, but it backs up to sort of some trees. So nice and private back there. All right, then on the other side are your 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. So the first here is the master, and this one faces the backyard. You have a walk-in closet, hanging space and shelves on both sides. You also have a full bathroom attached. You have a single sink, sort of a mezzanine cabinet or a hutch against the wall there, and also a shower, stand-up shower. Right next door you have your second full bathroom off the hall, single vanity, commode, and a shower and tub. And then in the hallway here you have a linen closet. That's a utility closet. It's where some of the AC components are. And then last but not least, you have your second bedroom here. This one faces the front, and you can see the closet. It's on the opposite side behind 2 bifold doors, and that actually goes a little bit farther than you can see with the wall. So that concludes our tour here at 1658 Horseshoe Drive, Unit B. Again, it's downstairs, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.